Welcome back to the series on ethical hacking for beginners. In continuation to last video, we'll be seeing some more Linux commands. So I'm going for VirtualBox where Kali Linux machine is installed. Starting this Kali Linux machine. We'll be seeing how files are being navigated in Kali Linux machine. We have the user name Gopi. I'm logging into this user. Then you can see navigation using graphical user interface. If I want any application, I can go directly with the help of the pointer mouse and I can utilize that file or application or folder. In Kali Linux, we use the terminology directories for folders in Windows operating system. So in Windows operating system, we call it as a folder, and here in Kali Linux machine or Linux machines, we call it as directory. Now we'll be seeing or mostly we prefer to use a command line mode using the terminal here. So the first line you can see here, this has Gopi @Gopi and Altida. The first one represents the user, who is the user, and the next one represents what is the host or who is the host, and this Altida represents the current working directory. Now, if I type the command pwd, then it will show the current working directory. So this is the / is the root in that home directory, and in that the directory is Gopi or the user is Gopi. Now, if I want to change the directory or one step back for this home directory, then I'll be using the command cd space ... Now you can see previously the directory was home Gopi, and now the directory came for home. Let us verify it by using the command present working directory. You can see by changing the directory from Gopi to one step back home directory. Now again I'll be using cd ... and press enter. You can see it came for the root directory /. Now if you type and see present working directory, you can see the present working directory is root directory /. Now if I again go for cd ... press enter, then there are no directories beyond this root, right? So it cannot move further, step back. Now if I want to see the list of directories that are present in this root directory, I can see here with the two different colors. So this is representing the directories, and these are representing the files. This color, the thick blue and light blue. Thick blue represents the directory and light blue represents files. Now I want to move to this directory. So change directory and give the directory name. And now you can see the directory has changed to home. If you want to verify it, you can see the directory, the present working directory is home. If you want to clear the history or the command that we have used, you can use the command clear. Now if you want to list all the files and directories that are available, you can see there is only one directory inside the home. Now if I want to change this cd, then you can see the directory has been changed. Right now if I want to see what are the list of directories that are available, you can see here desktop, downloads, music, public, videos. If I want to change to any of these directory now, for example, I'm going for desktop. Press enter. Now see here, no such file or directory, desktop. The commands that we are going to use in Linux are case sensitive. Whatever the case, uppercase or lowercase, it is sensitive for that. The same letters we have to use in the command line. So cd desktop, you can see the present working directory is desktop, and ls, there are no files in this desktop. Now if I want to clear all this, there is a shortcut key also, that is Control L. If I do, it will clear all the history that we have used or typed so far. Now here I want to create a directory. For that purpose, I'll be using the command make directory, and I'm creating the name of the directory as John. Now I'll type ls. You can see there is a directory inside desktop, that is John. In the left side you can also see the graphical user interface. Previously there is no such folder, so that folder is created. As I said, in the command line we call it as directory. In the graphical user interface we call it as folder. Now one more directory I want to create. I'm going for mkdir with another directory name, Lucy. You can see immediately another directory is created. Now if I type ls, you can see two directories are available, John and Lucy. Now if I want to remove this directory, for that purpose I'll be using the command rm dir, and give the directory name. I am going to remove this Lucy, and you can see the directory is removed. And there is only one directory on the desktop, that is John. So this is how you are going to create a directory and remove a directory. Now I want to use the command echo if I want to use the echo. I'm using echo, and the text which I has to uh, write into that, and the file name, I'm writing the file name as hello.txt. You can see there is a text file created. Inside this text file, if you open, you can see whatever we have written in double quotes that will be available in this hello.txt. I'm just opening. You can see there is hello. Whatever we have typed in double quotes, that is uh, stored in this file. I have used a file name hello.txt. It is a text file, and in that text file I want to place this text whichever I have used in these double quotes. Now if I say ls, you can see this John is termed as a folder, which is also known in Linux as directory, and this is a file, text file, which we have created by using the command echo. So echo is going to create files, and whatever we want to write into that files, we'll be using this echo. And now let us remove the directory. You can see the directory is removed. And if I want to remove this file, I'll be using the command rm hello.txt. You can see this file is removed. To remove this file, I'm using the command rm. So these are some of files navigating commands. We will see more in the next session. Please do share, like, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.